Hello kids. Today we are going to discuss about food chain and its components. First we will learn what food chain is. Dear kids, food chain is a linear sequence of organisms, each of which serves as a source of food or energy for the next. It represents the flow of energy and nutrients through an ecosystem. As you can see in this diagram, the flow of energy in a food chain starts with primary producers. They produce their own food through photosynthesis. These producers are then consumed by primary consumers, which are in turn eaten by secondary consumers, and next tertiary consumers eat them. Lastly, decomposers break down dead organisms and waste, returning nutrients to the environment to be used again by producers. Now, let's discuss about the components of food chain. There are three main components of food chain: producers, consumers, and decomposers. First comes producers. These are the organisms that produce their own food through photosynthesis. They are typically green plants, algae, or certain bacteria. Producers form the base of the food chain by converting energy from sunlight into organic molecule. Next are consumers. They are divided into further categories. First one are primary consumers. They are also called herbivores. These are organisms that consume producers for their energy and nutrients. Examples include grasshoppers, rabbits, and deer. Next are secondary consumers. These are organisms that feed on primary consumers. They can be carnivores, omnivores, or even scavengers. Examples include foxes, wolves, and humans. Next are tertiary consumers. These are predators that feed on secondary consumers. They occupy higher levels in the food chain. Examples include hawks, large fish, and owls. Last of consumers are quaternary consumers. In some food chains, there may be a fourth level of consumers that feed on tertiary consumers. These are often the top predators in an ecosystem. Examples are lions, sharks, or eagles. Kids, the third component of food chain are decomposers. They break down dead organic matter from all trophic levels into simpler nutrients. They play a crucial role in recycling nutrients back into the soil, air, and water. Examples include bacteria, fungi, and some insects. Kids, each step in the food chain represents a transfer of energy and nutrients from one organism to another. Energy flows from producers to consumers and ultimately to decomposers, with each level using and losing some energy along the way. Here are few examples of food chains. First one is grassland biome. Next is pond biome, and the third one is ocean biome. Kids, if you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up.